Welcome to CLI. In this training video, I'm going to show you how to install the Device Manager Thin Client Remote Management tool. In order to use this tool, you do need to have a database preloaded that this tool will use. If you do not have one, we have a video that explains on how to install an SQLite database, and recommend that you find that video and look at it and install the SQL database before moving on to the installation of the Device Manager. Let's proceed. The first thing we need to do is browse to the CLI website at www.computerlab.com. And once we're there, let's select the Support tab. Scroll down, and here we'll select the View Device Manager Downloads. And then scroll down again. And as you notice here, there are 5 files. 4 of them are for the SQL database for either 32-bit or 64-bit. The file we're interested in is actually the Devman setup executable. And let's select that and download it. Save that. Once that's completed, let's open up the file. So here we are in the Downloads folder, and you can see that my file has been saved, Devman setup 12.20510.exe. So why don't we just go and click on that and start the installation. Select Run. And here's the first of our setup windows. This installation will go very quickly. Just click Next. Accept the user terms. Click Next. Automatically, this file will install in C:"program file/devman. I'm going to leave it in here. If you prefer to place this file somewhere else, that's certainly up to you. Click Next and click Install. You'll see it extracting the files, and we're finished. We notice that the installation also provides a shortcut to your desktop. We can just click that to launch. And the first item that you will see is a window that asks you to point to the SQL server. And remember, I told you we had to have that installed first. So what we want to do under Provider, if you install the MS SQL native client here, we want to select that. And then we have to point it to where the SQL server is located. And we can do that by typing in ./SQL Express. And click on Connect. So once we've launched the Devman application, we'll get a logon screen with the administrator as default and the password empty. I leave the password empty. You can certainly go in and change it to a password if you prefer. So let's click OK and enter the application. As you can see, this is the user interface. The first thing we want to do is click on subnets. We see our subnets here. We click on the subnet group, and now we want to discover the thin clients on our network. We can do that by either selecting and clicking on this magnifying glass to discover. We can press F5 on the keyboard and discover our thin clients. And as you can see, I've discovered at least 2 thin clients on my network using the Device Manager tool. This concludes the demonstration of installing Device Manager program. Please follow up with a 3rd video in this series that will show you all the features of the Device Manager tool. If you have any questions, please give us a call or send us an email. Thank you.